In this video, we're going to write a decimal using a model to help us figure out what the fraction is. So if we have a problem like this that says write 1.37 as a mixed number, then show 1.37 by shading the model. So here's the model. And the first step is write 1.37 as a mixed number. That means the answer will look like this. Okay, so if we put that in, 1.37 is the same as 1 whole and 37 over 100. So that's how it will look like as a mixed number, 1 and 37 over 100. So now we just have to fill in the model. We have 1 whole, so entirely fill in the first block, right? So we have 1 whole. This will fill in this whole block. So let's do that. That's it filled in. Step 3, fill in the final block by filling in 37 blocks out of the 100 blocks. We have 37 out of 100, right? That's what this 0.37 represents. So let's fill that in. So you could see here we filled in 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. And that's the end of that problem. Not very difficult. Anyone can do math. If you're looking for other problems like this that I've done in the past, you could take a look at the description. I have links in there to problems that are similar to this.